All right, for those of you who really love that custom look of a survey, then you're going to love this new feature for new styling for surveys. So this is going to now enable a new footer style in your survey builder, offering enhanced customization options for both surveys and even for forms. Why this matters and how it helps you in your business. This is now going to allow you to adjust survey themes, backgrounds, and even fonts. So these new surveys automatically enable all of these custom options. And what's also a great new upgrade is that you can now enjoy the convenience of a real-time preview. So to access these new features within the Survey Builder, you're going to go ahead and go to Sites on your left-hand desktop menu. Then you're going to go ahead and select Surveys. While you are in that new survey that you just created, you're going to notice that there are some new features that allow you to customize your footer style. There are a lot of new custom features in here, guys. You're going to be allowed and able to customize the background, customize those fonts, really make this survey yours so that it fits your design, fits your site, fits your funnels. The other thing I really love about our new survey upgrade is that you're now able to really see that beautiful design that you're creating in real time. And guess what? All of this is automatically enabled by default. I hope you love this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.